What if I told you that the biggest reason people stay poor isn't low income, isn't bad luck, and it isn't where they were born? There's an invisible trap that millions of people fall into every single day. The scary part? Most people never even realize they're trapped until years have passed. Today, you'll discover what this trap is, why your brain loves it, and how the richest people escape it. The trap nobody talks about. Most people believe money problems come from not earning enough. But research and real-life examples show something surprising. Many people who receive raises, lottery winners, professional athletes, still end up broke. Why? Because income doesn't create wealth. Habits create wealth. The invisible trap is living for today's comfort instead of tomorrow's freedom. Your brain is designed to seek instant rewards. That's why buying something today feels better than investing for 10 years. Companies know this. Every app, every advertisement, every sale, every notification is designed to make you spend now, not later. Every small purchase feels harmless, but together they silently steal your future. Your brain is working against you. Imagine two buttons. One gives you $20 today. The other gives you $100 next month. Most people instinctively choose today's reward. Psychologists call this present bias. Your brain values immediate pleasure much more than future benefits. That's why you binge watch instead of learning. You buy expensive clothes instead of investing. You finance luxury items instead of building assets. None of these decisions seem dangerous, but repeated thousands of times, they become your financial future. Poor financial habits aren't usually one huge mistake. They're hundreds of tiny invisible ones. How wealthy people think differently. Wealthy people don't simply earn more. They delay gratification. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" they ask, "What can this money become?" Every dollar has two choices: spend it or let it grow. Money invested today can continue working while you sleep. This is why investing, learning valuable skills, and owning income-producing assets matter so much. The rich don't make every dollar work once. They make every dollar work forever. Escape the invisible trap. Breaking free doesn't require becoming a millionaire overnight. It starts with changing small daily decisions. Try these habits. Pay yourself first before spending. Track every expense for 30 days. Wait 24 hours before impulse purchases. Learn one new money skill every week. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Focus on increasing skills, not just income. Small improvements repeated for years create extraordinary results. Financial freedom is rarely one big decision. It's thousands of tiny good ones. Conclusion. The invisible trap isn't poverty. It's unconscious living. Every purchase, every habit, every hour either builds your future or quietly steals it. The good news? Now you can see the trap. And once you see it, you can escape it. Remember, your income determines how much money you make. Your habits determine how much wealth you keep. If this video changed how you think about money, hit the like button and subscribe for more psychology, finance, and self-improvement content. Comment below, "I'm escaping the trap." That's your commitment to your future self.